Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am TM Shaz, and today we're diving into a world transformed by artificial general intelligence, or AGI. What does the future hold for our economy, our work, and our lives? Let's find out. AGI is set to revolutionize every aspect of our society. Inspired by thought leader David Shapiro, we explore the profound changes on the horizon. How will we adapt, thrive, and navigate this new era? The journey begins now. First up, the benefits of AI. Imagine a world where creativity and efficiency are amplified. From healthcare to arts, AI is poised to boost productivity, redefine creativity, and elevate our potential. The future is not just automated, it's innovative. I view AI as a crucial partner in our evolutionary journey, not just streamlining processes, but also unlocking new realms of innovation. It's about expanding our creative horizons and discovering what's beyond our current limitations. Yet, with great change comes disruption, especially in employment. Jobs will evolve, and new skills will be in demand. While some roles may vanish, new opportunities will arise. It's an era of transformation, demanding adaptability and lifelong learning. As we navigate this new terrain, embracing flexibility and lifelong learning becomes not just beneficial, but essential. The price collapse is next. As goods and services become cheaper, the economy will undergo a deflationary shift. Shapiro articulates this potential for widespread deflation, fundamentally altering economic dynamics. This means more accessible quality of life, but also a challenge for traditional businesses. From my perspective, this shift could democratize access to goods and services, making quality of life affordable for many. However, it also demands innovation and agility from businesses, as they seek to offer value that goes beyond price competitiveness. It's a dual-edged sword, cutting costs, but reshaping value. Reduced aggregate demand and industry transformations will redefine the market landscape. While some sectors may decline, others will rise, driven by sustainability and innovation. The key is foresight, adaptability, and investing in human-centric values. I recognize these challenges, but also the inherent potential for reinvention and resilience. It's a call to explore new economic models and opportunities, ensuring that prosperity isn't just preserved but also reimagined in a more inclusive and sustainable way. As our basic needs are met with ease, our focus shifts to fulfillment, creativity, and connections. The pursuit of happiness becomes a pursuit of meaning. It's a shift from material abundance to an abundance of experiences and growth. I share this vision of a richer human experience, where technology serves as a springboard to deeper connections and more meaningful pursuits. It's about leveraging abundance for a more fulfilled and balanced life. In the status economy, success is redefined. Beyond wealth, it's about creativity, contribution, and community. A new social contract emerges, one that values diverse paths to fulfillment and ensures opportunities for all in this new world. I find this shift exhilarating, offering a more varied and inclusive vision of success. It presents an opportunity to cultivate a society that values diverse achievements and supports a wide array of aspirations, laying the groundwork for a new social contract that aligns with our evolving human and technological milieu. As we address the challenges ahead, our spirit remains undaunted. Embracing the future means adapting, innovating, and collaborating. Governments, institutions, and individuals must collaborate to ensure that the benefits of AGI are widely distributed and that we mitigate its challenges effectively. As we harness the power of AGI, we must also uphold ethical standards and ensure that technology enhances rather than diminishes our humanity. Together, we'll navigate this journey, leveraging AGI for a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow. The journey into the age of AGI is fraught with challenges and laden with opportunities. By embracing change, fostering innovation, and preparing strategically, we can steer our collective future towards prosperity and fulfillment. I invite you to join the conversation, share your insights, and actively participate in shaping our shared destiny. Thank you for exploring the post-AGI economy with me. For more insights, visit my blog at tmshas-consulting.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the conversation. Until next time, keep looking forward, and let's shape the future together.